Today I'm going to change the light bulb in my headlight for my GMC Terrain. You will see that these are the things that will be used in this process. I have the T20 star bit socket. It's a bit that came with the socket. I had to buy that because I didn't have one. And I have the ratchet wrench as well as the bulb. I will be removing this screw and unscrewing this cover to do this. Okay, bear with me because I've never done this before. Let's see. I think I need to switch this over. This should turn. I think I need to reach in here and pop something out. As I said, this is the bulb that I will be using, and I have to reach very far back here, twist counterclockwise, and this is what I'm looking to replace with this. The exact same bulb, so I think I need to loosen it on here. I'll sit here and I will pry this. Oops, there it is. It came off. It has a clip right here that needs to clip to this. So I will push this back in until it's snug and try not to pull these wires too much. Thinking it's connected. Let me turn it on and see. It's working.